Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Guys, I am so excited to be sharing this video with you guys on today. I want to thank you all so much for clicking on this video. So we're going to jump right into it. So what you're seeing here is seeing a wooden board, okay? For Haley and Jacob's wedding, we decided to do a DIY on the seating chart display, okay? So I purchased this board from Lowe's, okay? Brought it home, and this is what it looks like, okay? We did put the stand on the back of it. We used some pieces, 2x4s that we already had, and so we used the hinges right there to attach it to the back of the board so it could stand up without, you know, having to prop it up against a wall or anything like that. So this is what the board is looking like. It's very sturdy. The wood is really good here, as you can see. So what I plan on doing next is I plan on sanding it down a little bit. As you can see, my sander is right there. So I want to sand it down a little bit just to get any type of bumps or, you know, any type of imperfections that may cause the paint to bubble on it. So I want to make sure that it is as smooth as it can possibly be before I add the paint onto it. Of course, it is texturized wood, as you can see the grains on it right there. So once I paint it, you're still going to see that, but that is okay because, hey, it is wood and we have to accept it, you know, as it is. So yeah, you guys, this is the stand that we are using for the seating check-in at the wedding reception of Haley and Jacob. I am so excited to create this piece. I did get the inspiration from TikTok and didn't do it exactly, but I did do some similarities on it. I did put my little twist on it as well too, but so far I am liking the frame of it. I love how it is standing so sturdy, so I don't have to worry about, you know, anybody bumping into it, knocking over it, or anything like that. So yeah, you guys, without further ado, I think we should go ahead and get on into it so we can go ahead and get this thing painted, because we may have to put more than one coat on it, and you know, each coat has to dry properly. So we're gonna go ahead and share the color of paint with you all that I'm going to apply to this board here. And we also picked up the paint from Lowe's as well too. So all of the supplies like the wood that you see here and the hinges and the paint is from Lowe's, and it is called Something Blue, and it's a flat matte paint, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful on the board. Yes, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into painting this board. And by the way, yeah, I had to put a couple of coats on it, and look, y'all, that blue is so beautiful. All right, you all, this is what it's looking like with the finished painting, and it is completely dried, and I'm loving the blue. It kind of looks like a little gray, but as you can see, I showed you guys the paint. It is blue, and that paint did come from Lowe's, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I am going to paint the back and paint the legs as well too, because I want the whole entire thing painted blue, okay? But so far so good, and it has like a little bit of shine to it even though it's a flat matte paint. Now what you see here is a sign that I ordered, and the title of the seating chart is Check In, Have a Seat. So what we wanted to do is we want to give off the hotel check-in feel. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this board, you're going to see this sign, and you guys are going to have to wait and see what we do next. But I love this company and how they sent the sign and how they have the red circles there. So that tells you that's where your hardware or your screws are going to be. This was perfect and it was easy to apply to the board. So right now I'm showing you all of the holes that were drilled here, okay? Because we're going to be putting letters everywhere the holes are. I love it. I love it. If I have to order a sign or anything from them again, I will choose them because I love their format that they use. So, all right, you guys, let's go ahead and see the sign. Check in, have a seat. You all, it looks absolutely beautiful. Y'all, look at that sign. So it is silver in color and it does have a little bit of a shine to it because that's what I asked for. They did it exactly how I sent it to them, and we just drilled the holes in there, attached them on the back, and yeah, check in, have a seat. So now we have to go on to the next step because we are not finished, you guys. We are not finished yet. So as you can see here, we have these little metal frames and we have measured them off and making sure that they are even. We are using the balancer here to make sure that they are balanced, and we actually are going to add the names in there of everyone that RSVP'd. And yeah, you guys, you're gonna have a key to be able to check in to the reception, to be able to claim your seat at your table at the reception. So as you can see, these two are too close together, so we got to go back and redo the measurements. So you guys, here we are. We have the metal frames there in which the names are going to go in. You see the hooks there, and then we have our keychains. Check in, have a seat, you guys. Now, in order to go on this board, you would have to have RSVP'd, okay? And y'all, RSVPing is so important when you are invited somewhere, whether you're going to attend or not. You need to RSVP. And if you change your mind, go ahead and tell the people you're not coming, you're not showing up, you guys. Be courteous, have some type of etiquette, you guys. But anyway, all of the frames are put on there. All of the keychains, or most of the keychains, are hanging. We just wanted to balance it out and make sure it looks good and it is spaced out and they weren't, you know, bunched up together. So we just put the keys on there periodically. I think we have maybe one more row to add onto there. And now, come with me as we attend the reception of Haley and Jacob Coltrane, because now you're going to see how we displayed it. Look, you guys, absolutely beautiful. Check in, have a seat. So what we did was we put everybody that RSVP'd, we put their names in the metal plates there. Then we put the hooks on there and we added the keychain. Now on the front of the keychain, it says Hotel Coltrane, okay? And then on the back of the keychain, it has your room number, which is your table number. So once everyone entered in, they were to go to this board and they were to find their name, and the names were alphabetized, and they were to find their name, take their keychain, and go inside and find their table. And on the tables, we had table numbers on each of the tables. Now, I've got to show you guys what these keychains look like up close. So hold on tight, don't click off, because I want y'all to see it. Y'all, this turned out absolutely beautiful. All right, you guys, here is the keychain up close. This is what it looked like. It said Hotel Coltrane, and then on the back it had the table number on the back of the keychain, and it was actually a keepsake for each guest to be able to keep. So if I had to use this method again, I absolutely would, because it went off without a hitch. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. See y'all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.